Thank you to the members of the public who called in and were quite eloquent. And I echo and amplify your voices about the importance of the library.
Thanks to all who have called our office, have sent emails, all those who have sent stacks of postcards.
Councilmember Whitburn, you got one stack, I got two stacks. So where's your other stack?
We've also received a lot of postcards, 144, I think, to be exact. So we hear the people for sure.
I will add that not one person has contacted our office and asked us to cut library hours.
The library has done so much with the budget that it has.
I think we could do better. And, I want to reiterate, our libraries are one of the only places that many students in my district are able to access the internet or even have a safe place to study.
The library should be at the very top of priorities in the budget.
And if we're serious about being a world-class city, we will be serious about having a world-class library system.
Library access for residents should not be a bargaining chip that we as a city use to address systemic issues with our budget.
This is a basic role of what we should be doing as a city. If you want to talk about core city services, this is it, period, end of story.
Libraries are number one.